Hi everyone. Welcome to the new numero of the Minute of Taxes of this live series of tax tip, tax strategy. Today we have a question to answer. The question is, um, how is it possible to actually claim in your US taxes the tax that you pay overseas? So, have you ever asked yourself that question? If you have done and you never got an accurate answer, I think the next 2 or 3 minutes of this video are going to be really interesting to you. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Normally, when you file your US taxes, what happens is that any taxes that you pay that is different from income tax. When you are filing your income tax, federal income tax, any other tax that you pay within the state or within the city or within the local government, you can actually take them. It included everything. It could be, property tax, the tax you pay to the DMV when you register your car, um, the tax you pay when you purchase everything, what is called sales tax. So all of those taxes, you are actually allowed to claim them in your taxes. You just need to itemize them. But what happens if you also pay taxes overseas? Because you may be a business owner here. You also have operation in China, in Africa, in Europe. Of course, if you operate in any other country, you will be paying taxes over there. But how do you account for those taxes in your US taxes? And that's the reason why a lot of people who don't know what the answer is will actually most of the time avoid to report the activity that they have overseas. And sometimes they are losing more than they think they are winning. So what do we have to do here is that it's not only for business owner. Even though you are just a worker, that means you are a US resident, but you are employee in a different country. Of course, you pay taxes over there. So how do you account for those taxes that you pay in your US taxes in terms of tax saving? Of course. So this is what we're going to share. So the simple answer is that yes, there's a provision that allow you guys to actually claim those expenses in your US taxes. It's simple. It's called foreign tax credit. So you have the foreign tax credit that you can claim, and each year we have at least 5 customers that have operation. Some of them are business owner overseas, and some of them are actually just W2 worker. They work overseas. They have the W2. They collect taxes on the W2, and they report that here. And there is a way to actually report that in your taxes. Okay, so the credit for taxes paid for at least $300 during the tax year could be reported. That means if it's less than 300, you cannot report it. But if you are paying taxes overseas for at least $300 for the whole year, then you are eligible for the foreign tax credit. You see, tax credit, that means that they assume that you already pay some. That means if you're supposed to pay, let's say, $10,000 as taxes here, of course, you will receive a credit. A credit is just like they're giving the money back. If you're supposed to pay 10,000 to someone and I give you 1,000 credit, that means you only pay me 9,000. It's like I gave you 1,000 back. So you guys, if you are actually having operation overseas, so you have to consult with your tax professional, with your CPA, in how he can help you recoup those money that you report, those money that you paid overseas in here in the US. And if you are a tax professional, you don't know how to do it because your tax accountant might actually don't know if he's not used to those type of tax credit. So where do you claim it? If you are a tax professional, you claim it on the form that is called Form 1116. Okay, and you have to complete the Schedule 3. to claim that tax credit. So this is what I want to share with you. So from now on, you know that if you are selling stuff overseas, you can actually take that advantage to claim the tax you pay overseas in your US tax return and take more refund at the end. That is what you guys are looking for, right? More refund. But you don't pay more refund by making up. You pay more refund by actually taking what is available to you. So that was what I wanted to share with you today. In case you know someone who's actually having an operation or work overseas, you can tell him that yes, now there's a way to claim all the taxes that you pay overseas right here on your taxes and actually get credit for it. So that was the minute of taxes. My name is Russell Follers. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe and ring the notification bell. That means you will get all the new daily live video like this one that will actually educate you about the taxes. Until then, see you tomorrow for the next numero of the Minute of Taxes. Ciao. So I believe that by now you have learned at least one thing that you didn't know about how to legally save in taxes. If you really need to know even more in depth of what you have learned, or even a different strategy of how you can do as a business owner, as a simple taxpayer, I will invite you to click on the link below to see all the other tools or training that I have available for you. See you in the inside.